In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Alibaba mobile app on your Android smartphone. So if your Alibaba mobile app is not functioning or is not working, or it keeps on having errors, then this tutorial should help you to clear those errors and then have a smooth running of your app. Now, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this should work on any Android smartphone. Now, to get started, all you need to do is to go to your settings, and my settings is here, and then tap on it to open. So scroll down until you find or you locate apps, and then tap on it. Then look for the function called manage apps. Now, when you open this, it will open up all the apps that you have on your Android smartphone. Then go ahead and look for the Alibaba mobile app. Tap on it to open. And from here, all you need to do is to clear data, as you can see here. There's something I want to show you under storage. You can see cache and you can see user data. Now, these two might be the main reason why your phone is misbehaving. And to rectify the issue or to clear the error, you need to clear cache. So you can go behind to clear data, or you can find the same option down here, clear data. Now, the first thing I want to clear is cache. Go ahead and clear cache and tap on OK. And this should clear all the cache. And as you can see, the cache you had has been cleared. Now from here, try and restart your smartphone and then log in to see if the problem has been solved. If the problem is yet to be solved, you still have again to come here under your app information, again tap on clear data, and this time around you have to clear all the data. So go ahead and clear all the data. And one thing you have to note is that this will permanently delete your information on your account, and therefore you'll have to log in afresh. If you are okay with this, go ahead and tap on OK. Now go ahead and try opening your app, and at this point it should just work well. But in case should you be finding a problem, you may want to go to Play Store and look for any update of your app. And to do this, just go to Play Store and look for the same app. At this point, look for any information. If we have any update, you will see it here. Instead of open, it will be update. Go ahead and update your app and then go ahead and open it. At this point, it should just work fine. But should you find any challenge still, you may want again to go to Play Store and look for this Alibaba app and install it afresh, and everything will be okay. So by using any of the methods that I have shared here, you should be able to have your app running smoothly and just fine. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.